Good day, sir, and Giselle Tangkilan. So, ang topic karon is parts of a ship magnetic compass. So, a magnetic compass is a simple device that points to the magnetic north pole of the Earth, helping navigators determine the direction. So, nagkatabang ni aron mahibalaan nato ang direksyon pinaagi sa pagsunod sa Earth magnetic field. So, ari na sa ita sa parts of magnetic compass. So, kinanhan is compass pole contains compass card, AZ circle, lover's line. So, with panangga show ni the which show the ship heading, napakita ni sa direction sa barko. Then ang lover line is a fixed line on the compass bowl that indicates the ship's heading, then aligned with a compass card. Next is ang soft iron sphere. Kani siya kaning black. Soft iron sphere correct magnetic effects from the ship metal structure. So nagatabang ni aron magwagtang sa magnetic influence gikan sa metal. Next is Flinders bar. Kani siya. Flinders bar. Help reduce magnetic deviation. So gatabang ni aron mawagtang sad ang magnetic deviation. Next is a binnacle stand. A binnacle is a protective waist-high stand or housing that contains and support a ship's magnetic compass. So nag-support ni sa magnetic compass sa barko. Then healing magnet tube ning yellow nila hilay. Healing magnetic tube is a permanent magnet often stored in a vertical tube under a ship magnetic compass that corrects for healing error. So nagatabang ni sa ayos sa sayop nga tungod sa pag-tilt sa barko. Next is mirrors or reflection arrangement. Mirrors reflection arrangement lets the compass viewed from the bridge. So gatugot nga makita ang compass reading gikan sa bridge. Then peep hole going to the bridge. Ani siya ang kon sa tapos na po sa mirrors reflection. Peep hole going to the ship bridge. It could be a reference to viewing port, a specific instrument, or misunderstanding of a term. Next is ang base. Ang base, kani ang base, so transparent ko siya. Transparent, flat, rectangular plate that holds all the other components. Uniga kanang hawid sa ubang components. So ang fore and aft B magnet tray kani siya. The term fore and aft B in magnet tray refers to the adjustment of a ship magnetic compass by using fore and aft corrector magnets, typically placed in a tray or horizontal holes in a binnacle to counteract the B deviation caused by the ship permanent magnetism. So nag-refers ni sa adjustment sa barko, ship magnetic compass. And last is as for ship magnetic tray C, refers to the as what ship magnetic magnets used to the correct ship magnetic compass, specifically the C-set, which are adjusted to the counteract permanent magnetism errors. So, moro to'y part sa ship magnetic compass. Moro ni siya. Then, in conclusion, the ship magnetic compass is made up of many parts that work together to give accurate direction to at sea.